What's up, everybody? It's ET. It's what day is it? It's Tuesday night, and we are gonna do maybe a little more art and maybe get some dev in too. If I can get both in, that would be awesome. But it depends, how the time goes and how long it takes me to do the art. Um, to show you a cool thing today. Today at work, during lunch hour, I went to the motion cap lab and I got it all working, which was crazy. I didn't think I was gonna actually get that done, but yeah, I got this motion caption working. So I don't really have the animation here though. It's still on the computer over there. But anyway, basically I was moving around, and then there's like two connects facing each other, right? So there's two like Xbox connects. They're facing each other. I just realized I didn't turn on the backlight. One sec. There's too much of that purple stuff. There's still a little bit of that purple stuff. Anyway. Yeah, so there's two connects facing each other, and you stand in the middle of it, and it just captures all your motion and everything. But it's like a three-stage process, so it's not like you move and the character on the screen moves. It's like you capture your motion, you process your motion, which takes like a long time, and then you can export it to FBX, and lo and behold, it works with the humanoid model. So awesome! With Unity's humanoid model. So anyway, that's what I did. I did some motion, and then Abe followed that same motion. It was awesome. It was awesome to like move in real world and then have my game character do the same thing. So anyway, I'm gonna let everyone know. Streaming now. I guess I should put my Twitch. Alright, coolios. So what is next? What am I doing? Let's do art. Let's hurry up. Let's see if we can get kind of this done in a speedy fashion. No dilly-dallying. Sorry, this is what I got. I got Abe, the bear, and if I get close enough to the bear, he starts coming at you, but there's no like he's like do 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 do. This animation is so dumb. Anyway, it'll work for now. Cool. So let's get a swinging act, an idle action, swinging action, and a even harder swinging action. So let's see if we can do that right quick. So that's gonna be in 3D Studio Max. I should have loaded that beforehand, but that's okay. We'll do that now. Ooh, you know what? While it's loading, I might charge my watch, because I'm not going to be doing much walking right now, so my step counter doesn't go up by me standing here and streaming. So why not charge? Actually, this is the perfect time to charge. I don't know why I haven't thought of this earlier. Oh no, I left my Fitbit charger at work. Oh well, I'll get that next time. Alright, 3D Studio Max, let's go. I'm ready to start doing these animations. The other thing I'm thinking is we're gonna have to look into the mask. So right now, like, especially like if I do the A player, maybe I can do that while this is loading. I don't have it playing. But alright, just take a look at the Abe animation. So right now you can see he looks pretty good when he's standing still. I'll make it bigger so you can kind of see it. So he from the standing position he looks fine, but when you're walking and you so walking's okay, but then you walk and punch, like his legs stop moving. So what we want to do is put a mask on his legs so that when he's like walking and punching, like you still see him walking. So I'm gonna figure all that out. I guess that's more polished than actual I see another problem, like the Confederate soldier and the bear don't collide. Okay. 3D Studio Max should be just about done loading. There it is. Alright, so we should have, what, a bear 11, I think? Bear 11. Diggity daggada diggity daggada diggity daggada. So I'm guessing this is his walking animation. I'm guessing not until I get this. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another animation layer. We'll just call it an absolute animation layer. I'm going to disable this. Alright, so now there's no animation on this layer, as you see. Oh, but you know what? I want to make the animation layer from the T position or whatever, his idle position. You play Roblox? I don't know. I don't know what that is actually. Roblox. No idea. But I'm kind of sheltered when it comes to like all the new games. Alright, so I'm going to delete this layer. Oh gosh. Okay, good. Make an absolute layer here and then hit motion. Perfect. Awesome. Kermit the Frog here. That's your name. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hide this. Hide all of this. There we go. So now we just got this guy. So, let's make two animations here. I guess I'll make an idle animation and a... What else? I'm going to hide... What I'm going to do? The animation, the idle animation, I make 50 frames. Alright, yeah, let's make it 50 frames. So we're going to select all of you guys and just make a new keyframe. Bam! Okay, now like at frame 20, I'm going to go ahead and kind of like rotate his head over here. Maybe move him ever so slightly on this. And maybe even move this back a little. And then I guess we can move his head again the other way. Yeah, something like that. Too fast. Let's just go to like 60, I guess. And then back to at 70. No, at 80. We can just go back to this. So this is going to be like an 80 frame. Alright, so now if we look at this, we know at 80 you gotta go back. Who knows? Maybe just kinda. And the same thing with this guy. At 80 you gotta move back. And maybe just here at 40 you can kinda move back and forth. So there we go. Alright, me sliding it's not good, so let's just hit play. This is how it kind of looks. Okay, that's his idle. And now let's do from 80 to like whatever. So we're going to select everything again. At 80, make a new keyframe. Oh, you know what I'm not doing? I'm not selecting all the child nodes. So we totally need to make a keyframe here. And I'll totally make a keyframe here. Okay. And then, let's see, at 100, this is going to be his swipe animation. So, let's see, from 80 to 100, I guess we can kind of, let's see what happens if we just move his paw. Nope. Let's move this sucker. Actually, I'm tempted to... Oh my gosh. Tempted to move him as forward as you can. Maybe rotate this up a little. not too much like that. Here's a bunch of flowers. That's not a swiping, that's more of a handing, I guess. But anyway, we'll come around here, go over here. At 90. I really want you kind of out here. And maybe rotate it a little bit this way for now. It's kind of a scratching motion, yeah. And then you at 130 can be done with the rotation and the position. And at 120 you can kind of come back. Oh, maybe 130. That way you're kind of settling in. Alright, that looks good, I think. So that's the swiping motion. Alright, and now at 130 we should all be back to normal, so I'm going to go ahead and select all of this, and why not just kind of put this on top, like that. So there we go, he's looking around, swiping motion, and then let's do a big ol' swipe. So the big ol' swipe is going to be, let's see, in 10 frames, or let's see, how long did it take him to swipe? It took him like 20 frames just to swipe. I think I'm going to make him 20 frames just to set up here. So this one's going to be like this. He's going to kind of ooh, I see that I did not select everything when I did the 80 frames thing. So select all of this and select all children right here at 130. There we go. Alright, so that's you getting up. I'm going to go ahead and say these two things are, I can't get it to move all the way up, all the way out, all the way up. Let's see, let's kind of get up here, yeah, and out. I want to see your paw, so something like this, I guess. I want to see your paw. Eesh, let's go sideways, let's go out. Just kind of. Actually, I was thinking it's more up, and it'll be up here. Yeah, like here. I think I like it up, something like this. Yeah, and then you're up here. Ah, undo, undo. Yeah, there we go. Raw. So that's the bear kind of going up, charging up. And then it's going to take him another let's see, another couple of frames to come down with this. Let's see. You really don't rotate your hip until there, but you should move your hip a little. Like you're charging back. And then forward. Head up. And let's go. Let's grab these suckers. Although animation's kind of time consuming, I find it super fun. I don't know why. I really like this. Actually, you're gonna be more like this. I don't know what you're gonna be like. Anyway, you're definitely gonna be up forward, more like here. Let's just go to left view. Here we go. Let's move you down. Let's go to the front. Definitely think you belong here, and then I definitely think you belong way up here, and then I think you probably belong maybe a little bit out here. We'll rotate you around just so you make some sense. There we go. Maybe I'll bring you back just a bit, yeah. It's kind of like you're grabbing him, like rock. All right. And then he's gonna just right quick from there, just kind of fall. And then he'll do kind of a pop back once he falls. So okay, let's make him kind of fall right quick. I almost just say rotation, zero it out. 0, 0, 0. Oh, maybe it needs to be like 90. Like, what are you? What's your rotation? Oh, 180, negative 90. Alright. So we'll say 180, negative 90. Okay. We'll do the same with this guy. 180, negative 90, 0. 180. Alright. So at this point, we rotated it, and he's going to kind of fall down. So his momentum is definitely going to be falling here. I guess you can kind of platform out like this. Yeah, Z, you're going to just be on the ground. Z, you're going to be on the ground. Alright. Alright, so that's him falling, and then it's going to take him like 10 frames to just pop back up to the original. So here, I'll just take everything, including all the child nodes, And where did we start? 130 or 150? I already forgot. 130. Alright, so about 200. Oh lord. I just wanted this one. We'll kind of pop back. Alright. So here we go. Alright, we didn't like the rotation here. Maybe plus 180? Is that what the problem was? I don't really know. Yeah, let's do plus 180. Plus 180. 90, 180. Come on. Alright, that's good enough. 178, that sounds... Let's just be on the right side at least. 179. Maybe you gotta be negative 180. Negative 179. Uh-oh, it just keeps turning. How do I get it? Which way are you turning? It's like ridiculous amount of turning. Alright, let's see if I fixed it any. Oh no, I went the wrong way. Alright, let's turn you the other way. 1, 2. Is that better? Alright, let's look at the curves, because I am totally screwing that up. Graph editor, curve editor. Oh, thank God it works this time. Alright, really what I'm trying to do is this guy. I'm trying to move him way up here. Wait, where do I want him to be? Oh, maybe negative 180? Yeah, something like that. Wait, what's the red? I thought the red was the X. Oh, yeah, it is. I don't know. I just want to look at rotation. But all three of them would be nice. Alright, let's look at this. This rotation seems to be good. Yep. Oh, wrong one. Yep. I'm agreeing with all of that so far. That seems good. Kind of just want you to be what's 360 plus 180? Oh wait, that worked just fine. Oh, weird. Okay, that's good. I'm cool with that. Alright, so if I just wanted to play this part, I guess I'll just slide it. Wah-bah. And just up here, I guess as I'm trying to get everything kind of up and stabilized, he can kind of do a little hop, right? So the hop will be like this. Kind of move up a little bit, like that. And these two things will kind of go up. Like that, yeah. So it's a little hop. Maybe I need to make it a little more pronounced. Like up here. And this can kind of go up even higher then. Yeah. Whoop. Let's see if that makes any sense. Bam. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, that's him idling. Swipe. Bam. I like it. Alright. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, I guess I will save this as 12. Select all of you guys. Oh, animation's only up to 200 now. So save that. And then we're going to export select it to where am I going with all of this? Downloads? No. Oh, we got to go up to assets, models, animations, bear at idle. Let's put all of them. Idle, swipe, big swipe. So that's everything. This is totally an animation, so we're going to say Unity animations. Okay. Awesome. Here we go. So under models, animations, this crazy thing. I'm going to see if we can just get the bear. Does this actually do everything? Awesome. That's the idle, swipe, and big swipe. Cool. So here we go. Let's break this up. How do we make a new one? Idle is going to go up to 80, I think. Alright, cool. And so we'll just say idle. What's next? Add another one. We're going to start at 80. I think this one goes to 130, but I'm not quite sure. I don't know why he stops there at the end. Just for dramatic effect, I guess. Okay. I'm happy with that. So we'll call you just... I'll call you Little Swipe. Or Light Swipe. Light Swipe. And then Heavy Swipe. And so you're going to start at 130 to 200. You should only have 200 frames. Might delete this guy though. Alright, so here we go. Idle. Definitely loop time. What? Oh, okay, the loop pose definitely helps, so thank God for that. Light swipe. Let's go ahead. Nice. Heavy swipe. Yeah, I gotta work on some of the skinning, but that's more polish. That's not what I'm gonna worry about right now. Hey, what's up, Chris? How's it going, dude? Alright, so I got the 3 animations. Now we just gotta apply them, right? So, okay, we got all of that. That seems good. Alright, apply. Animation controller, bear. Here we go. We got the walk. Here's the thing. I'm thinking I might just take this generic human controller and, thanks, man. Because one of my dev tasks is to actually get him to walk towards the left and then walk towards the right. So I'm thinking I'm going to handle this via the animation controller. So like if his velocity is positive, play the right walking animation. If the velocity is negative, play the left walking animation. But he'll always be kind of turned towards the camera. So we'll see how that works. But I might have to redo a lot of this. So let's just start anew. Animation controller. No. Then all the meta files are going to get crazy. Can't you zoom out of this? I guess not. Alright, well, we can kind of resize all these windows though. So here we go. Resizing all my windows. There's everything. Okay, so idle. So if this was the bear stuff, we're going to say just, well, no one actually pulled this yet, so that's good. Alright, let me do one thing in source tree just so I don't screw something up. And I totally just probably remade the meta file, but I don't want to do that. So let's see, models. No, it was there. It was right there. I just saw it. Oh gosh, get me back to where I was. Bear animation controller meta. Yeah, this, discard. Okay. So bear.meta is now this guy. Awesome, good. So good. Alright, so idle. Your idle is gonna be the bear idle. Your walk should be, I think we're just gonna do all bear walk. So you, I lost the animation. There we go. This guy. No, what are you doing? I just want this guy. Ah, there we go. Give me this. Alright, so some dragging and dropping. I can't show it because it's on the computer in the lab, so I didn't bring it here to my house. So I can't access it right now. But I'll definitely show you tomorrow. Alright, so let's see. You can't use it because you're bear animation, but bear can use this. I totally gotta fix that. I did too much with the pelvis and stuff, and now it just looks ridiculous. Alright. So walking is fine. Back to here. I don't think he's going to be jumping, so I'm going to go ahead and delete all the jumping stuff. But he will be doing a light punch and a heavy punch, so let's do that. So light punch will be the light swipe, and heavy punch will be the heavy swipe. Heavy swipe, there we go. Was it good enough in your opinion that we should dedicate time to doing more of it tomorrow to be used in the alpha? For the alpha, I say no. Because, I don't know. I feel like just the basic downloaded animations are probably good enough for the alpha. But it's more of a polish thing, I guess. Like something that we want it to look better. So alpha, no, but we definitely should look into it overall, yes, but not for the alpha. All right, Mr. Bear. Do you actually swipe? Oh gosh, you're kind of slow though. Alright, well at least he swipes at you. And I definitely got to work on his skinning. I didn't do any effort on his skinning. He's a boss, dude. He has to be huge. So silly looking. Alright, anyway. Let me see how this looks with the heavy swipe, although he's not doing a heavy swipe right now. Let's just change the light swipe to heavy swipe. I just want to see the animation play in the game. Raw! What's he doing? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh gosh. He's like dancing sometimes. The thing is, he's triggering the heavy attack a few times, and so like it restarts the animation every time. So when it, when it doesn't re-trigger, it's fine. Bop, bop, bop. Cool. So this ain't bad. I mean, probably need to work on the speed a little bit. Alright, let me look at, hold on, before I even look at it, boss, what's going on? Oh, it's the attack times, right? That's what I need to work on. So if I stop this, alright, come, get over here, bear. Get over here. Get over here. Alright. I really need to see the melee area. Yeah, so I definitely see this as too fast. So the light attack should take at least a second. Let's see. Alright, a little more than a second. I say like 1.5 seconds. I'm looking for that purple box, which I can't see all the time. Melee area. If you don't mind, get out in front just so I can see you. Where you at? Where you at, melee area? Too close, too close. Melee area, come out here. I need to see you. There we go. Still too early. So we need to do a little bit of tweaking of the settings. So maybe like 2 seconds. Alright, too late. So maybe 1.5 is fine, just maybe it's lasting too short. Now it should go. Okay, yeah, so 1.5 is good. But the actual length of it should be like, not just 0.2 seconds. So I'll say like 0.5 seconds. 0.4 seconds. So, bam. Maybe a little less than 1.5. 1.4. 1.4. Bah. Yeah, that's good. Bah. And that's not where I want it to be anyway. But that's good time. Just like that. Alright, good. I'm a bear. I'm a walking. Wait, I didn't see his idle animation. Let me get far away from him. See if, oh yeah, his idle animation works too. Good. Alright, cool. Yeah, another thing we need to do for the alpha is texture these guys. That shouldn't be too hard since we're just going to fill them like solid colors. Alright, what am I doing? I'm just goofing off now. Alright, so it's been 40 minutes. I feel like I'm done with the bear animation stuff, so I'm cool with that. I'm going to save all of this, and then we're going to switch over to the dev branch. I think I saved this, but if I didn't, I'm just going to hit save again. Alright. No more 3D Studio Max for now. Game dev is nothing but goofing off. Agreed, dude. Alright, let's go to models. What dev stuff are you doing this week? I'm going to try to get the 2 different attack types on top of what I already have. So right now we have a melee attack type, and we have a swing attack type. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. So now I want to make a jab attack type for the Confederate soldiers with their bayonets, and if I have time, I might try the gun. So we'll see. Alright, cool. So all we did, at least in the master branch, is we added this new set of animations. So I'll just push it straight there. Created an idle, swipe, big swipe animation for burr. Okay, that is wonderful. So let's close that out. I don't have the audio on the art branch yet, so all this, sorry, you don't belong yet. But bear, models, and animation controller, bear.controller, all that is good stuff. Created a bear controller. Maybe not bear controller, bear animation controller. Okay, so I think I'm done, and I'll commit to the UV unwrap, which is fine. Cool. So done with that. Now what is next? Dev, yes. So I haven't been in here for a bit, so we'll see what's going on. Yep, I even committed something new. Gosh. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just stay on my branch. I won't meander. Oh, really? Huh. Yeah, no, I really have been on for 43 minutes, dude. Wait, can I just pull? If I hit pull, will it just work? Well, before I even hit pull. Yeah, alright, everything's good. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get to bed at a reasonable time tonight, so no meandering. Except this part is kinda slow. The models, I just pushed something in models, so let's go ahead and grab that. Yeah, really. Reasonable for this guy. Yeah, in like 30 minutes I want to start getting ready for bed. Alright, cool. So our master branch is ready to go. We're in Honest Abe Dev. Let's become a developer. And just a snap of the finger. Dev. Ed, you know you can always show up early on class days if you want. Some of us get there at 1-ish. I'm sure you have work and just telling you so you know. Yeah, I skip out from work too much already. Just coming to classes because I take this class and another class. So yeah, I wish I could show up early, man, but 3:30 is as like early as I can get there. I mean, Yuna is really flexible with all that, but I don't want to take too much advantage. All right, so here we go. Let's make this big. Let's figure out what we need to do. Alright, so last time we were able to go pick up an axe, and we can come here and we can like hit the guy and he bleeds. And I have two different animations, light attack and a heavy attack. And if I R, it restarts the level. And for some reason this doesn't go away the second time. And then if I just punch him, this is the kind of blood I get, kind of the splatter. So I think the blood coming out is fine. It's just the blood on the ground. I can't really. Well, I didn't really put much effort into it, but it's just it's the same exact droplets that come out, and then I guess little splats would be better, not more droplets. But alright, that's not neither here or there. Yeah. Agreed. The blood on the ground looks bad. Make a separate particle for when the blood hits the ground. Okay. You know what? I will. I'm gonna do that now. So yeah, instead of just it sticking to the ground, I might just make a little tiny droplet of darker blood and then it'll be done. I'll do that. That's a good idea. Alright, so blood, either one, blood fountain or blood spatter. Actually, it's in my art project, so I'm probably not going to work on it tonight because it's here in the models folder and I have this particles and that's where it is. So yeah. Oh well, I will get to it next time. So what am I doing today? I totally forgot. Alright, task. Create a wire mesh for the bear. Yep. Slow animation, fast attack, and walk animation for the bear. Nice, got it all. Ability to face backwards. Oh no, let's do combat weapon stuff. So let's see what we got. Eye attack interface, attack type melee script, attack type axe script, update attack script. Okay, so I'm kind of already there. Let's see what we got. So if we look at scripts, attack types, we got a melee swing and a swing attack. So one of my teammates. Do you know how to spawn particle systems when a particle hits the ground? Yeah, actually that's how I'm doing the blood on the ground. It's just really bad. Alright, duplicate. What am I doing? Duplicate the swing attack. We'll call this jab attack. And then we get to wait for Visual Studio. Alright, my favorite. This is my favorite part of the stream right here. Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh. Why does this take so long? Here we go. So this is not a swing attack. This is going to be a jab attack. It needs an animator. It needs an attack. There's a light swing and a heavy swing. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. Just call this a light jab and a heavy jab. Means we're gonna need some more animations, which I won't do yet. And everything else I'm gonna keep the same. Sounds good to me. Alright. So the only difference between light swing and heavy swing is, jab and swing is the type of animation it uses. So let's go back to generic human controller. Figure out how to resize this sucker. So that means we're going to need a few more actions here. Can I group this? Let's see. No. I thought there was a way to like group all of this. Sub-state machine. Is that what I want? Yeah, I think that's what I want. I'm kind of new to all of this animation stuff, but I think this is what we want to do. I'll just have attack types. And then I want to just put these guys in there. Oh, sweet, you can just drag them in there? That's even better. Oh, but you don't know how to get in here, huh? Can't go there. Darn you. Alright, well. At least this should go to this, I guess. And you should be the default. Ah! So if you... Oh, not light swing. Let's do light punch. How do I set this as the default? Isn't there like a set default or something? I totally forgot. How do I make this a default? So this obviously is the default. Default state. I see that. I don't want that to be the default state. Oh, but I see how you do it now. Haha. Default state. Oh wait. No. Make transition. There we go. Oh my gosh, that took way too long. This transition. Narrow down to selection. I don't care. Alright, great. Oh my gosh, that took too long. Okay. So from any state, I'll just see if this works. Nope. Oh, what are you doing? That's your... Oh my gosh, you are the default state. Really? Oh. Light punch. Where's the player? So it seems like to go in here. Oh. Alright, get off a player, or pause, or do something. Oh, I like this song, whatever this is. Attack types, light punch. Oh my gosh, just stop this, please. Light punch. Oh yeah, your motion, you should just be a light punch, right? Punch. Okay, good. I think I got it. Alright, let's see. Songs, list, steel song. Bam! I'm getting it. Alright, so the good news is now we can jump to different kind of attack modes. Bad news is I don't like how it debugs, I guess. But whatever. I think in the end of the day it'll look cleaner, right? So, alright, attack types. Light swing, heavy punch. I don't know what any of this really means. I mean, I know what it means, I just don't know how to make this look the best. I'll just put you up here. Alright, so we got all the different animations. Let's create a few more empties. Some of them even for future. New state 1, new state 2, new state 3, done. Alright, so you're gonna be, oh my gosh, you're gonna be light jab, you're gonna be heavy jab, you're gonna be light shoot, heavy shoot. Okay. So that looks good. Those are all the nice animations that some of them don't exist yet. But for now, I gotta go do some shopping. Here's a song for the road. Thanks, buddy. Good luck with whatever nonsense you're doing. Just doing different attack types. But thanks, man. See you next time. Alright, so we're going to add a few more triggers. We're going to have a light jab, a light or heavy jab, go ahead and just do the rest of the triggers. Light shoot, trigger, heavy shoot, and just keep making these transitions. And really, you just exit when it's done animating. So you don't have to do any conditions to leave the animation. You just have to have conditions getting to the animations. So that's not too bad. So all this should be set. Light swing, heavy swing. Alright, here we go. This is going to be a light jab. This could be a heavy jab. This could be a light shoot. This is going to be a heavy shoot. Alright, cool. So all the animations are wired up, but we don't have animations for everything. And I really don't know what these animations look like. So I'm going to go here. Let's see what this one does. Alright, kick. What about heavy jab? What can I do here? Is there another like super long kick? Like stand. Melee. Attack. Kick version 2. Let's see what kick version 2 does. Okay. Good enough. So jab is going to be a kick for now until I figure out what in the world I got to do. Alright, sorry. So I guess that means I gotta put a musket in here. Or I'll put it up here. What? I don't even see it. So I guess one thing is make it 0. Oh my gosh, we gotta scale this sucker up. Alright, maybe 1's too big. That might be fine. There we go. Alright, muskets is not going to be an axe. You're going to be over here. You're going to be at 0, 0 of this thing. Maybe 0.5, negative 0.5, 2.5, something like that. Alright. So that's the musket. So, okay, that's the musket. What's the weapon? Yeah, I'd like to move you down if you can. Keep you down by the weapon pickup area. Alright, so you're going to be a jab type. 2, 1, 1.5. Alright, so all that seems fine. I'll make you just as deadly as the axe. play. This is gonna be not so good. Alright, what do I really need to do here? Let's get the rotating tool and let's see what we can do. I want it out and I want it this way. I guess I don't need to move it just yet. But that is something we gotta do. Offset. Okay, so we're looking at a 360, 265, 175. What about that? 265, 175. Is that a legitimate number? Will that work? Alright, well, definitely getting there. So that's the musket. Okay. Let's implement the attack. Jab attack. Oh, right, so that's fine. Maybe on the attack script then. Yeah, here we go. So we're gonna need to do a I think I'm just make these properties. So I have like the property weapon. Let's make these other three: the attack, the animator, and the melee area. So under I attack type, we got weapon. Let's get the animator. Animator. What else? Attack. And game object, attack box. Okay. So now when we do melee attack area, yep, we're not finished implementing it. We're gonna need public, basically this stuff. Ah. Where is it? I attack type. Public, public, public. Okay. So since we have all of that, let's go ahead and rename some of this stuff. So you gonna be animator. You are gonna be attack. And you, what did I do? You are going to be attack box. I might call you attack area. I like that better. And does that change an I attack type? Yes, awesome. Okay, cool. So now that we got that, melee attack area is good. Jab attack. Let's just do the same thing. Animator. Attack. Melee area. And actually I didn't want to do that last one. Melee area is actually attack area. Alright, now we can delete it all. And then we just go to melee attack and copy that last part. Which one was I doing? Jab attack? I gotta do them all anyway. Okay, yeah, so jab attack, and let's also do swing attack. So we'll put this at the end. And let's go. Animator. Attack. Attack area. Okay, I think that's going to be good. And that refactoring should help us out with the attack script itself. Where basically, when I'm creating the attack type, attack is going to be blank. Alright, now we get to use else ifs. Else ifs. Alright. And hopefully I got one of these at the end. Yeah? Okay, cool. Alright, and if none of them, go ahead and just say attack equals this. Alright. And I'll leave a little space. And I'll just say attack animator, attack it, and attack. There we go. There we go. So that kind of lowers or brings that down a little bit. We could just say jab. Jab attack. Alright. Oh, don't forget to return. Attack. Alright. That seems good to me. Let's see. Alright, he's still doing nice with that. He picks this up, swings that around. Alright, the big test gets this. He kicks now. Bam. Kicks. Bam. So, it's not necessarily a jab, but I didn't have time to do the animation. So, there we go. Kick you. Aww. Graw. Oh, double weapon. So, what do? You do both animations? Or you just do the swing? Okay. Right, because that's the newest one. So I wonder if I pick up the axe first, and then this thing. Yeah, there we go. We do the kick now. Bam! Okay. Yes, all good. All great. All wonderful. With tons of hit debugs, which I probably don't need anymore. Um. Alright, so I got the jab type. That's good. I think I'll call it quits here for tonight. But before I do, let me go ahead and merge some of the stuff that I've been doing on my other branch here. So I wonder if I can do that. Like, I would love to get the bear controller in here. While I'm here, let's see if we can just get a shooting motion. Love it. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Probably good to stop. But yeah, I want the bear. I want the bear to be here so people can see it even on my dev branch. So to do that, definitely go to models. We definitely have a bear up in here somewhere. I wonder if I can open it up in a different instance of Unity and just copy it over. Ooh, I think I can. So let's... Another instance of Unity. And then we'll check everything in, and we should be fine. Alright, art. Oh, it's already there. I'm going to put it on the other screen. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to open... just show it in Explorer and see what happens. It's like this animation controller, this bear controller. If I drag both of these files in, I wonder if it'll just go. Oh crap, not there. Damn it. Here. Alright, so I put that bear controller there. Now, if I just grab the boss icon and bring it here, that's just another main camera. That had nothing to do with what I dragged in here. Delete. Boss. What? Alright, delete. What if I copy this and paste it here? Alright, let me just see if I got everything. Mesh renderer, box collider, animator, generic animation, enemy follow, damage, health, infantry AI, and attack. Yes, all that seems right. Ooh, you know what I really want to put on here too, if I can? Shadow. So I can take the shadow and just bring it over here. Copy. Paste. Anything? How about this one? How about if I break the prefab instance on this side? then try to copy something over. Okay, well I see I have some kind of prefab, so if I took a prefab of shadow and put it into prefabs here, and then put the prefab on player. Oh good, at least that works. Put the prefab on enemy. Nice, okay, so prefab's not bad. That's good. Just the boss man won't come over here. What if I put you in here? Bottom edge. Nope. Alright, I guess the other thing I can do is just make him a prefab. So I just drag him over to this prefabs area. Boss. Put it here. Boss. And then I'll just call you bear instead of boss. Put you up in here somewhere. I don't even think he worked. Oh, there we go. Boss. Alright, I'm gonna move him back there, like somewhere behind the yeah, like here. Oh, you don't have a health script, I guess. Okay, all good, all good. So we got Bear. Bear's doing his thing. It seems to be working fine. We'll just call you Infantry. Well, before I do that. Alright. Shadow, everything's good. I'm going to apply that. Enemy, I'm going to apply that. Even boss should have a shadow, I guess. So boss. Oh, I think you do have a shadow. I'm going to scale you a bit. There we go. Bear has a shadow. I don't know what kind of size to put on here. I'll just put 7.5. Just keep it nice round numbers. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Cool. What is next? So put the animation controller in here and did that. Okay, good, good, good. That was all I think I needed to get out from there. Yeah. Alright, so I think that's all I needed. Just to show the bear too. Alright, so I have a issue with the bear, and that might be health. Okay, you have health. So what are you complaining about? I wasn't really paying attention. Let's go check it out. Update health. Game object. Game manager. I don't think I have a game manager. Do I? Game manager is GM. Where do we set GM? Oh, I guess it's just dragged on here. What is game manager? Is that a script? Oh, it is. Health, game manager. But what about on this enemy? Oh, interesting. I'll just put this here. Unless there's a game manager object. Oh, game manager object with game manager. Yeah, okay. So we can. Alright, I'm gonna stop this. Go to bear. Go here. Drag game manager into health, which is above my head somewhere. Game manager. Okay. So if I play this, I'm just gonna get super confused because now there's two enemies. Alright, well. If I punch either bad guy. Oh, it updates. Okay, cool. Not the worst. At least we know they're keeping their individual health points. What is next? The health is working. Oh, the blood. I don't see any blood. Yeah, blood splatter and blood fountain. So I'm just gonna do the two prefabs. Blood fountain and blood splatter. Alright. So anyway, now everyone can have a different kind of blood. So if it's like a machine, maybe you don't want it to be a machine. Maybe it'll be like a... Okay. Happy enough. Alright, and that is everything. I will save that. I'm gonna save it as a different scene. F12. Let's see. Scenes. We'll save it with my username. So that every time Ted needs to kind of put the pieces together, he can just open that scene. Because he says everyone committing to that one play scene is just causing so much issues for him trying to commit everything. So okay, I'm cool with that. I'm going to go to the Confederate soldier and we'll just stop showing this bounding box for now. And I'll apply that. But I'm going to keep the melee area showing. Just get the musket. Alright, I'm happy with that. I'm good. Alright, that's good, that's good. So saved to my own scene. Everything's great. Closing that out. Closing out this project. I'm not going to save anything on that side. Okay. that all seems great. Alright, see that I'm missing some stuff from the audio. Or I'm missing? I have uncommitted changes? I really shouldn't. Oh, maybe I didn't pull. Okay, now what are my uncommitted changes? All of that. I'm not doing any of that, so I'm going to delete that. Okay, so I'm at master on the audio. I'm good on the models. And what about sprites? Sprites hasn't changed. Still saying I'm down one? Let's fetch. Maybe there's more. Yep, that is it. I gotta listen to some of the sounds. Okay, audio seems fine to me. What? Why are you down? I don't understand. Is there like a head? Alright, I won't worry about it. I'm just gonna do from master. That is where I live. Alright, so bear controller, yes, we need those two things. Generic human controller, yeah, we modified it a bit. Bear prefab, cool. Shadow is a new thing that didn't exist before, so we have to have a meta file for it. And so is this bear prefab, so 2 meta files is okay. This new scene has a meta file, which is good. Attack damage, eye attack type, these are scripts I changed. And jab attack type, which is a new file, so that should have a meta. Cool, so I am good with all of that. Alright, refactored attack, created a new attack type jab, added a bear enemy, and added a new weapon, musket slash bayonet, without bayonet, but will end up being bayonet. I don't think I'm spelling that right. I'm gonna put an E at the end of it, but even that doesn't seem right. No suggestions, huh? Bayonets. Okay, 1T. Alright, alright. Okay, but we'll end up being bayonet. Jab doesn't have the correct animation right now. Jab doesn't have the correct animation right now. Okay, all that seems great. Committing. And now I can't do anything about it. It's in space, so good luck. Alright everybody, that does it for me. I think I did everything. I'm gonna just visit my task right quick, or just look at them just to make sure. I don't have them up. Totally get them up though. Alright, so let's see. Didn't do that yet, but there's no due date on that. I think I'm done with the combat weapons system per se. Created a wire mesh, create a slow attack, fast attack, and walk animation. Done. Alright, until next time. Bye, guys.